the building's on fire, ma'am. You have to get out. Ma'am, where are you? Central Ambulance and Medic.
You okay?
Yeah.
What happened, ma'am? What? You here? Is this the only door? Is this the only door?
Man, where you at?
What? You here? Is this the only door? Is this the only door?
Man, where you at? Where you at?
Ma'am, where are you?
Where are you?
You got her? Jarel, you got her? Are you the only one in here, ma'am? Central Ambulance and Medic.
Parameters are getting dispatched out now.
You okay?
Yeah.
What happened, ma'am?
Nah.
Is there anyone else in the apartment?
No.
You're the only one that lives here?
Just my in mulch.
You bringing oxygen? Jarel, you got oxygen? You got oxygen?
You okay, miss?
Yeah.
You start exiting these houses?
Yeah. Get out of your house, ma'am. The building's on fire.
Okay, sir.
You just want to step it up off the evacuate everyone. Central 240, do you know who's still in the apartment?
Police department!
Tell them to come off Sicklerville.
Police department! No, the building's on fire, ma'am. You have to get out.
Doris, you okay? We got.
I'm trying to evacuate now. That unit's on fire right there.
Have you tried to move it?
No, she's out of there. She's out of there.
She's out of there?
She's out. She's right there.
Who else is
Ma'am, you have to get out of your building. The building's on fire, ma'am.
Who else is here? We have
Who else is in here with you?
My cat.
Okay, can you grab your cat, put your shoes on? You got to get out. The building's on fire, ma'am.
Central 3611, is it just a single apartment on fire?
Right now, it's one apartment on
We're
fire.
out, right? There's no one in here, right? You're good.
Ma'am, grab it.
Help him.
Okay. Ma'am, you got to come out. The building's on fire.
Susie, get out. Come out here, please. Okay, wait a minute. No, just get out of here. Where's my cat?
It's okay, man. You just go down. Do you have shoes you can put on?
What slippers?
Put your slippers